Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a lot of car toys in this box. Let's see what we have. Ta-da! Yeah, let's pick. Wow, the blue car with a small one. Yeah, this is Batman car. Blue, look like Batman. Very nice. Okay, put here. And then we got another one. Yeah, this is Keiko car from Pijima's character with a green one. Wow, Keiko car. Wow, 1, 2, 3, 3 wheel. Very good. Okay, let's see another one. Oh, what is this? Yeah, this is look like a bomb. Oh no, let me put inside. Wow, yeah, this is Pokemon, guys. Wow, Pokemon house. Okay, no need here. And then we see what we have. This is dump truck. Okay, dump truck. You can put right here. We put another one. We got, wow, this is Ultraman. Ta-da! Ultraman. Hi everybody. And more get, wow, Tayo bus. Blue Tayo. Tayo, hey Tayo, hey Tayo, hi. And then we go, wow, this is Transformer Bumblebee. Wow, yellow color, very good design. This is from Chevrolet Camaro. It can change to robots, but today we not to transform to robot, just review it only. Okay. And then we got, ta-da! Wow, sport car, green color. Nice sport car. And then we, oh, this is Thomas. What are you doing here, Thomas? Thomas train. Very good. Tun 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 tun. Thomas. And then we got, ta-da! Big. This dump truck, yellow dump truck, diecast, very amazing dump truck. And then we have, what more we have? Oh, so a lot here. Let's pick random pick. Oh, this is gun, big gun. This can shoot. Pew, 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 pew. Put there. We take another one, random pick. Wow. Dinosaur, Stegosaurus. And we have another more. We take, no, tank lorry. You can feel to bring something like liquid inside here. It has 6 wheel tank lorry. And then we got one. Oh no, no need here. You got another. Wow, this is Rocky from Paw Patrol character. Rocky, yeah, Rocky car. I think it's police. Okay. See another more. Wow, what kind of car is this? This is Zuma. Where is Zuma? Maybe inside. And then we got, yeah, Hot Wheel car. Very good design here. Hot Wheel car. Okay, bye.